So we're going to be testing out a new foundation today. I got this sample from Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. I get probably like 3 uses out of this, so we're gonna try it for the first time. This must be so hyped because I see so many colors sold out already at Sephora. I will be listing it down below. I don't know how this is gonna work. I have very oily skin. That'll be my review. So before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. So this is in Barcelona. It's M4. This is not the color that I would have picked for myself, but they didn't have many options. The color that I usually am is light neutral. No, this is probably not going to match, but we're going to see is it good for oily skin besides the color. But I'm telling you, the color that I would pick would be light with neutral, which for this foundation is L4. Okay, L4 is the light neutral one. This is M4. And the bottle looks really cute. I'll put a picture here. You can see this color's like... We're here to check the formula. You get the original size. Obviously, you're not going to get this small thing. It's 1 ounce for $49. Some medium coverage, light finish. Good for dullness, uneven texture. Good for dark spots. Good for redness. Also going to show you like my shade that I would be, so you can just compare it. First, moisturize. There's this certain face wash that I use. Really makes my skin feel like tight. I won't be buying that one anymore. I'll stick to my others. I just felt like, oh, I just wanted to use it up. But this feels amazing, and you guys, if you watch me, you already know this by heart. This is the Perlice Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. I use it so much because I love it. I hope the lighting is good. Hope you guys like the new background. I've been struggling to get something good. Let me know what you think about the background, please. Thank you. Oh, look at this. That's so cool. The original has a pump though. See? Way off, I know. This is my Catrice that I like, which I think is very close to my shade. My skin tone, just so you see the difference what we're gonna be working with. Okay, start here. Oh, this feels so soft. This is really nice. I'm gonna be using this blending brush. I can't find my sponges. I need a good sponge. If you know of one, please do let me know. Okay, so let's start blending. Oh my god, this color. Oh, this is crazy. I'm just like doing half of my face. Right now it's blending really well. It doesn't feel like a thick foundation at all. And right now you're probably like, why in the world are you even testing this with this color? What we're testing is the formula. Definitely looks very light. Right now, like, I don't feel like it covered absolutely anything. I mean, I did put very little. I'll probably have to remove this if I'm planning to go out. Or put sunglasses so nobody knows who I am. Okay, blend, blend, blend. I feel like it still needs a bit more time to dry. I just build it up again. And obviously I can definitely try to make this color work if I were to blend it with like a concealer. Easy. Let's see if building it up it looks different. I'll have to look close. It's just that I get easily distracted by the shade. It does look very pretty. I like it better like this with the second coat. I have to see how it looks. Oh my god. Look at this. I swear to god this better come out. What happened? I have to gent more bluntly. What? Oh my god, what did I just say? I have to blend more gently. Years since I applied like a more generous amount with the first coat. I feel like it looks better. I do have the matte, the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. That is beautiful. I'm pretty sure I reviewed it on my channel. Highly recommend. highly. If this one doesn't work for you, try that one, trust me. If you have oily skin, of course. This is just first impressions. But unless you like a glow like this, obviously I'm not going to leave it like that. I'm also going to put a setting powder like I always do. Alright? I don't think if you have oily skin, you just leave a foundation without putting powder on it. But look at the glow. All over. You have to remember that I'm giving you my opinion on oily skin, okay? But is it beautiful? Like, does someone look beautiful like this? Absolutely. See, it doesn't feel like it's completely dry. Like, this doesn't feel like, oh, it's set. And I did blend this side. I mean, if you have like dry skin or flaky skin, I'm sure this would make it look better because it's not a drying foundation at all. I'm just gonna set it with this, an old powder, but it's just the first one I took. I know they still have this from Too Faced, but it's in a different packaging. Set it with this powder. I'm sure that's gonna change the color too, this powder. Just put it to this side of the face. See the difference? Look at that glow. No glow. I like this side very much. The finish of the foundation is beautiful. If you hear noises, that's my dog. I'm just setting half of it. This side still looks pretty. I don't think you look like super insanely matte, right? It looks pretty. Like, just gonna set this. She looks like skin. Even like after applying the powder and everything, it still looks like skin. If you want like a full coverage, this is not for you. Medium, I would say yeah, it's medium. Just have to stick with this throughout the day so I can give you an update of like what do I think. Did I get like super oily even faster? I'll usually start seeing shine maybe like 2-3 hours in. Not a lot, but that's when it starts, like around my nose, around this area, T-zone. Right now it's 12:30 and I'll definitely update you guys before I remove this foundation and let you know how it's been working. I just came back really quick to show you the finished look, like with the full face of makeup. I don't feel like when I was blending the other face products any of the foundation came off. It's been about an hour. So since I'm giving you the update on like the full face, just in case, let me just show you. I don't feel like I don't know. I don't feel like I'm looking super matte, even though like I put my setting powder. Let's tell you how obsessed I am with this lipstick. Like, I just have like so many different like little makeup bags and stuff that I even forgot this existed. This is perfect. Perfection. I'm definitely gonna put it in my favorites. Still see that foundation like coming through, so it just looks really nice and healthy. Alright, so it's 3 o'clock right now. I know I've really never done so many updates on a foundation review, but now that I remember. So as you see, I don't look mad at all, I would say. You can see the shine coming through. I'd say a little bit more than with other foundations. With the other foundations, it's usually like on my T-zone, around this area. But here, like, I can see it on my cheeks as well. Like, I feel like my whole face just looks like, you know, I wouldn't say oily, but reflecting or glowy. It does look nice, but any more shine and I'm not gonna feel comfortable. Like, even right now, just because I'm so used to it, like, I feel like I want to blot my face. Alright, see you guys later. Look at this shine. Well, just remember, I have not blotted in like almost 8 hours. It's 7:30. We started at 12:30. I need to go outside. I want to take out these lashes, but I wanted to come here to show you. Like, it looks like I never powdered. Where's my dog? Is gonna start crying. He wants to go out, so gotta hurry this up. You know what I want to see? I want to see if I blot, if the foundation's gonna come off. You know, like if a lot of it's gonna come off, or if it's okay, like if you blot, it's gonna look like new. Well, not like new, but like if you just applied it. So let's see. Oh, I was dying for this moment. I'm not saying it's a bad foundation, but for oily skin, I don't know. So I'm just doing my nose first. Look at myself up close, but that looks like a lot of makeup. And let me do my forehead. Oh, that feels amazing. But look, like that would look so pretty, right? But on me, it just looks like too much. Oh, what a difference. What a difference. I think I will stick to the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. That is beautiful. Okay, we're leaving. Alright guys, so this is basically 8-hour wear test. Not good for oily skin. Beautiful for everybody else. If you like this makeup look, this eye look, I do have a video if you would like to see. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.